This is the first major shipment for the little Toyota Rally build. The Turbo 22RE with 2 transmissions and a ton of different random parts. Semi truck couldn't make it all the way to the house, so had to back up to it and load it into the truck, so it's kind of a pain in the ass. But we're about to do our first unboxing on the channel and the first legit video for the little Toyota. But we're gonna play a time lapse, and me and my brother are gonna jump on it and start breaking it apart. Alright, couple more screws left, and hopefully everything's hadn't been tossed all over the place. No? Does it blow off? T3, it's a GT45 turbo. He sent me so many parts. I mean, 2 transmissions. Apparently one has a bent shift fork, but that leaves me with, I have a 22R that's in the truck now that we've still got to yank out, but the transmission in that's perfect, so I have 3 transmissions to go through. Give me clutches, all this. I'm pretty pumped. First major build. Oh, sweet. He cut that on his own plasma CNC table. Sweet. LS coils, LS throttle body. He went ahead and labeled all of this for me, so it should be easy to get up and running off the Mega Squirt to the all the wiring on the truck. And this is going to be the first time I'm doing something this major on something of my own, so it's going to be a major learning experience, and probably going to do a lot of stuff that's stupid. So if anybody does watch and knows more than I do and can point something out, then comment and let us know. There it is. Alright, got everything out. Nothing but the engine left. Everything looks good. He did a pretty awesome job loading it up, which I don't know how I would have done it, but pretty stiff. That's it. Now we don't know how we're going to get it out, so we're going to figure that out real quick and hopefully come back once we have it out of the truck. Alright, so we're a couple days later. Like I said before, when we cut the video for the time lapse and stuff, we couldn't figure out how to get it out of the truck because my good old Harbor Freight engine hoist, brand new out of the box, didn't work. So went back, exchanged it, put this one together. They were awesome about it. Obviously, Harbor Freight's, I mean, hopefully we are sponsored by Harbor Freight one day, but took it back, easy process, got it together and got the old engine out. So I'm going to work on cleaning up the engine bay a little bit more because it's nasty, but besides that, all the stuff that we don't need, all the old AC lines and all that stuff, wiring we don't need, is coming out. So the engine bay should be nice and clean. I mean, I'd like to power wash it and make it look better, but it's ready to get thrown in, and hopefully we will get that done pretty quick, at least get it in the truck. And in the next couple of videos you'll see we got my new Method wheels that I need to get some rubber for, and picked up this set that we'll talk about in the next video. But give it a like, subscribe, I know a lot of you guys on the 22R and 22RE channel are following, because this engine is a monster. It's probably the most powerful 22RE that I've ever seen. The guy who built it's a nut, but it dynoed 330 horsepower at the tire, and he's had it 10.8 in the quarter mile, and it was in a little Chevette, which is about the same weight as this. We'll get into all that in the next few videos and once the engine's in, but thanks. See you on the next one.